In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transpose in Soundtrap. If you've ever wanted to quickly move a melody into a better key, tighten up a harmony, or simply experiment with different pitches without re-recording, transposing inside Soundtrap is fast and precise. We'll keep it simple and stick to the most reliable method so your timing stays intact and your workflow stays smooth. Start by opening the piano roll. In Soundtrap, the piano roll is where you see your MIDI notes laid out on a grid. To open it, find the MIDI pattern on your track and double-click it. You'll know you're in the right place when you see a piano keyboard on the left and a grid of notes across the screen. Each rectangular block you see represents a note, with its left to right position controlling timing and its height on the grid controlling pitch. Next, decide exactly what you want to transpose. If you only need to move a single note, simply click that note to select it. If you want to adjust a phrase or a chord, click and drag to draw a selection box around every note you want to include. And if you want to move the entire pattern at once, use the shortcut to select everything. Press Ctrl+A on Windows or Command+A on a Mac. If you accidentally pick up something extra, click on an empty area to deselect, then try again. It often helps to zoom in a little so you can see the notes clearly and make an accurate selection. With your notes selected, it's time to transpose. Click and hold on any selected note, then drag straight up to raise the pitch or straight down to lower it. As you move vertically, you'll notice the notes snapping to the horizontal lines of the grid. Each line you pass equals one semitone, so moving up by 12 lines raises your notes by 1 octave, and moving down by 12 lines lowers them by an octave. Dragging vertically won't change the timing of your notes, so their groove and rhythm remain exactly where you place them. Keep an eye on the piano keyboard on the left to see the note names as you move, which makes it easy to target a specific key or interval. When you're done, press play to audition the change. If the result feels too high, too low, or just not quite right, use undo to step back and try a different interval. With these basics, you can confidently reshape melodies, harmonies, and full progressions in seconds, all inside the piano roll.